All right. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. Of course, the reason that you subscribe is because on a daily basis, we break down everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. Big things are happening in cryptocurrency. Big things. Make sure you watch the whole video. Check the timestamps below. I'm going to talk about the market movers first. Then we'll get into some lower cap gems, glitch protocol, Filecoin. Doge hit almost 70 cents. It had a dip today. Doge has been pumping this last week. Much of the altcoin market is pumping. Let us know in the comments below which altcoin is making you the most money and what your plan is. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $57,000 today. It's been coiling up between 44,000 and 65,000 for the last few months, making higher highs, but still coiling up. Everybody's expecting Bitcoin to blow. Just to let you know, if history is any indication, when Bitcoin finally decides to have one of its monster rallies, it often leaves much of the cryptocurrency market behind. Not every coin, but just understand how this market works. Ethereum, 3,400 has been making higher highs as well, new all-time highs. I think Ethereum has a lot of strength. Not only in terms of price action, Ethereum soared to new all-time highs earlier today, above 3,500, but also in terms of narrative. What are some of the biggest drivers of Ethereum's utility? You could say many different things. You could say NFTs. I would say one of the biggest drivers of Ethereum today is still DeFi. Not just from a speculative point of view, from a retail-driven narrative point of view, but also from a financial and institution point of view. Basically, the question is this: can we take traditional financial services that are usually gate-kept, that are usually controlled, that are usually long, arduous processes where people at the top control who can, be involved in finance? Can we take that? Can we automate it? Can we distribute it? Can we decentralize it? And judging from either total value locked USD or total value locked ETH, the answer is yes. In fact, if you're a banker, if you are traditional finance and you're not looking at DeFi, you're probably not going to make it in finance. It's going to completely redefine trading, indexing, market-making incentives, peer-to-peer lending, the list goes on. If your bank, fintech, or trading firm does not have a DeFi strategy, then it's screwed. What do we think about this? I tend to agree. It seems like it's going to happen either way. Now, one of the blue chip DeFi projects is Uniswap. Let's talk about the news here. Uniswap version 3 is now live. Maybe you read about this in Yahoo Finance. It's pretty cool to see just how mainstream cryptocurrency is getting. Yahoo Finance. Uniswap V3 arrival signals a bright future ahead of the decentralized exchange. So, just slightly ahead of Curve Finance, Uniswap holds the #1 position as the most popular decentralized exchange. Uniswap V3 upgrade should boost this precarious lead even further. Now, if you don't know, by pioneering automated market makers in November 2018, Uniswap cleared the way for the decentralized future of finance, one without the influence of hedge funds as market makers, exchanges, and clearinghouses. So to help you understand Uniswap just a little bit better, originally Uniswap Decentralized Exchange did not have the governance token Uniswap. It was just a protocol. All of a sudden, Uniswap V1, what they did was basically they had all these users who actively used the Uniswap exchange, and they just did an airdrop saying, this is our governance token. Now you guys are the token holders. All of our users, our community are the token holders totally for free. And instead of giving fee revenue to hedge funds or exchanges or clearinghouses, we're going to give it directly to the users. Pretty cool. Uniswap V3 features will alleviate Ethereum's gas crisis. They're making Uniswap more user-friendly. They're making it cheaper to use. Uniswap version 3 adds concentrated liquidity, better oracles, and a new fee tiers. And just, again, so you understand what this is, it's not as decentralized as the marketing would suggest. I actually think they took down Uniswap V3 shortly after it launched today because I guess it wasn't ready for the market. So varying degrees of centralization. We'll see how all this stuff plays out. That's why it's so important to stay informed. But if you do your homework, you see that stuff like this is inevitable. S&P Dow Jones has finally launched their Bitcoin and Ethereum indices. The S&P Dow Jones Indices, a venture between S&P Global, CME Group, and News Corp, has announced the launch of the first crypto indices, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. This was first announced in December 2020, as some of our OG subscribers recall. The new product aims to bring transparency to the emerging cryptocurrency market and will measure the performance of selected digital assets listed on recognized open exchanges that meet minimum liquidity and market cap criteria. TLDR, if these things get to a certain level, if these things get as big as Bitcoin and Ethereum are, it's inevitable. They're going to have to list them if they want to stay on the cutting edge. Speaking about the cutting edge, let's talk about the New York Giants and Grayscale. Grayscale now is the first NFL team crypto sponsor. They signed a deal with the New York Giants. They've announced a partnership with the crypto asset management firm Grayscale. Quote, "Our partnership with the Giants is incredibly meaningful because of our roots in New York," said Michael Sonnenshein, Grayscale CEO. He added, "We're excited to partner with such a forward-thinking franchise." Well, what's the partnership for? According to the Giants, the partnership enables the NFL franchise to navigate the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's talk specifics. As far as advertising for crypto, Grayscale will be featured as a home game sponsor and a sponsor at the Giants training camp, and will even host a voluntary educational seminar on cryptocurrencies for Giants personnel every year. Of course, we know that the NFL has already been pivoting towards crypto, with some of the biggest stars converting their salaries to Bitcoin, like Russell Okung, and even the likes of Rob Gronk and Tom Brady jumping on the NFT bandwagon. This is what I like to see if cryptocurrency has a future. Speaking of stuff I like to see, this is such a big story. Bitcoin will soon be available through hundreds of U.S. banks in a partnership with the crypto firm NYDIG, according to a new report. Fidelity National Informational Services has partnered with NYDIG to allow hundreds of U.S. banks to begin offering customers Bitcoin, buying and selling. Cryptocurrency OGs used to dream of this. Now it's a reality. Now it is undeniable. Last thing on Ethereum, Canadian fintech firm Mogo adds almost $500,000 in ETH to its crypto cache. Vancouver-based payments company Mogo plans to invest up to 5% of its assets in cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum is one that interests them. Let's talk about three more altcoins. Let's talk about Dogecoin. I want to talk to you about Filecoin, and I want to clue you in on Glitch Protocol. Are you familiar with what Glitch Protocol is? We've partnered with them today. I'm going to tell you what it is, why you should care, and basically what their role is in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, if you didn't know, this is a top project by performance in April, meaning in April, it was one of the best performing cryptocurrency assets. Let's just start simple. What is it? I follow them on Twitter. Custom DeFi blockchains, delegated proof of stake, faster transaction speed, lower transaction cost, ETH interoperability, smart contracts, liquidity pool, lend and trade, dividend pooling, and user governance. Did you get it? I didn't get it yet. So Glitch is a blockchain agnostic super protocol purpose-built to facilitate trustless money markets. So this fits with our whole theme of DeFi and Uniswap in today's video. Through their delegated proof of stake consensus, they can process 3,000 transactions per second, also low transaction fees and revenue sharing. The Glitch ecosystem relies on some critical functionality carried out by a group of core smart contracts. Glitch Finance has an expansive vision to provide best-in-class blockchain financial solutions. They just had a major partnership. When interoperability is key to the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, a partnership between Polygon, formerly Matic, as we know, Polygon, formerly Matic, is one of the primo ETH Layer 2 scaling solutions, And Glitch has partnered with them because it simply makes sense. They want interoperability, they want cheap fees. So we talked about what it is, we talked about the partnerships. I want to give you just a big picture of where is Glitch right now in the cryptocurrency market. So let's also touch on TA. Glitch is finally breaking away from the fractal on the back of this. Listen, all I see here is coin going up and to the right. This is the day chart. So it looks to be in a bull trend. This is certainly something to keep an eye on. And what's the next move for Glitch? Where are they going? Glitch Protocol are clearly cooking up something big in the NFT space, which makes sense if you look at the roadmap for June. In June, the testnet goes live alongside Glitch Decentralized Exchange Explainer videos, but relating to Gary Vee and Beeple, NFT integration into the Glitch blockchain plus partnerships. So NFTs are hot. They want to cater to what's hot. NFTs also have a bigger future, and they're setting themselves up for that. What just happened in May with Glitch? Prototype launch of Glitch stablecoin pegged to the top 5 fiat currencies, lending market integration with Glitch, an official testnet date announced. That just happened this past month. We're looking forward to June. Then going into the summer in general, in July and August, is their mainnet launch. Cross-chain interoperability and IPFS support launches live. I'm going to leave a link to all of Glitch's stuff in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Get these guys on your radar. We appreciate them supporting the channel today. Finishing up the video, Dogecoin almost got to 70 cents earlier today, then had a correction. I know a lot of people are waiting for that $1 Doge. Elon Musk says he's going to mention Doge and SNL on Saturday. Some of my friends tell me that they're going to try and short Doge on Saturday with the SNL thing. Some of my friends tell me that they're waiting for $1. It is a sign of the times, a sign of a bull market. Filecoin launches decentralized storage services for NFTs. As you know, Filecoin claims to be decentralizing and distributing file storage. NFTs are hot, so of course they're incorporating NFTs with their NFT.storage, a new service created by Filecoin and Pinata, aiming to preserve the integrity of non-fungible tokens. My friends, that is all for me today. Make sure you are ready. Get ready for a 4-day series of interviews with Hashoshi, with Ben Cowan, with Alex Saunders, with BitBoy. Different topics, different coins, and we will be back with you on Monday for our regular news and opinion videos. See you tomorrow.